Hello, today I will show you how to backfire a Safira. First you have to switch your car on, then you give a little bit gas, you put your car off, you switch it on and you give gas. Then you have backfired your car.